Okay, let's start the session with chanting mantras. Hello, Amtaji. Welcome back. Hello, welcome back. Yeah. Take it half lotus, all students. Back straight. Finger on Dhyan Mudra. Normal breathe. Join your palm together. 3 times Om chant will together. Inhale. Hands down, palms on your knees. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down. Center. Rotation your neck clockwise. Start. 1, 2, 4 times. 3, 4. Change anti-clock. Eight. Relax. Normal. That's good. Stay your arms. Fully open your finger. Let's close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, fully open, stay. Let's make a fist and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Normal. Jerk your hands. Good. Do it now. Twisting pose. Let's stay. Reverse panning. Twisting. Stay. Stay. One side stay. Hold this one side. Stay. More twist your body. Look at back. Change. Another side. Twist and stay. And continue twisting. Start 10 pair. 1, 1. Continue twist. Good, good. Good, Sandeep ji. Good, Namita ji. Good, Mamta ji. Good, good. Okay, relax. Normal. Yeah. Raise your arms on sideway. Fingers interlock. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Then stretch your body. Yes. Curve. Little bit curve. That's up. That's up. That's exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, relax. Normal. Yeah. All students stand up now. Stand up. Let's start the Surya Namaskar. Traditional Surya Namaskar. Sandeep ji, stand up. Palaram ji, stand up. Yeah. Come on, mat up. Yeah. संदीप जी और आगे हो जाओ, थोड़ा सा आगे चले जाइए. Yes, good. Okay, let's take it Smasthiti position, standing position. First position, prayer pose. Inhale, exhale, prayer pose. Stay. Inhale up, Hast Uttanasana. Back bending pose. More back bend. Stay. Hold रखिए, hold. पीछे की तरफ देखो, पालाराम जी पीछे की तरफ. Good. Exhale, fully forward, Pada Hastasana. Head to knee. Palms on the floor. Stay. Inhale, right leg back forward, Ashav Sanchalan. Reverse knee bend. Let's left leg back forward, high plank pose. Stay. Body on your toes. Body on your toes. Inhale, knees down. Knees bent. Exhale, chest chin on the floor. Chest chin on the floor. Ashtang Namaskar. Roll on the back of the soul, Bhujangasana. Do it cobra position. Inhale up. Exhale, mountain position, directly forward. Close your leg. Shilon, close your leg. Close your leg. Yeah. Right leg forward. Inhale. Bring your right leg forward between your hands. Direct forward. Look at up. Palms on the floor. Left leg also forward. Head to knee. Pada Hastasana. Try to touch palms on the floor. Lift your arms with inhale on the front. Hast Uttanasana. Exhale, fully forward. Once more, fully forward. Pada Hastasana. No, 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 no. Fully forward. Inhale, left leg back forward. Ashav Sanchalan. Right leg back forward. High plank pose. Knees down. Chest chin on the floor. Ashtang Namaskar. Namita, your body little bit forward. Your hands behind your chest. Inhale, Bhujangasana, cobra position. Do it mountain pose. Inhale, left leg forward, direct forward between your hands. Reverse knee bend now. Right leg also forward. Right leg also forward. Head to knee. Inhale, lift your arms on the front. Back bend pose. Back bend. Take it prayer pose. Prayer pose. Relaxation. Samasthiti. Okay. I will speak now only breathing. I will speak now only breathing. You do it now. Surya Namaskar. Only breathing. I will speak only breathing. That's first position. Inhale, exhale, prayer position. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, knees down, exhale, chest in on the floor, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, Balaramji, back bend, good. Exhale, exhale, fully forward, exhale, fully forward. Inhale, left leg, inhale, left leg. Exhale, inhale, knees down, exhale, chest in on the floor, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, lift your arms, back bend, back bend, back bend. Exhale, prayer pose. Samasthiti, relaxation, arms lower down. Good. The last time, the last pair you will do, start now. I will speak only position number, okay? Position number 1, position number 2. I will speak now position number, okay? Yeah. First position. First position, prayer pose, Namita. Good. Second position, third, fourth, position number 4. Balaramji, right leg back, position number 4. Position number 5. High plank pose. Good. Position number 6. Ashtang Namaskar. Position number 7. Do it Bhujangasana, Namita. Position number 8, mountain pose. Position number 9, look at up. Position number 10, (11), and last and finally position, prayer pose. Yeah, relaxation. Okay, normal sit. All students, normal sit. Yes, close your cameras. Please close your cameras. That's See now my positions, all students, see now my positions, technique, that's step by step, okay, step by step. Yeah, Mamta ji, you notice now, notice now my position, the step by step, okay. Yeah, I will do it. Surya Namaskar, this most important. That's your mistake. That's all students. Namita, your mistake. Yeah. Okay. See now. Okay. Surya Namaskar, the first position now, most important, your stability. Let's stay now, first position. You end now this same position. Okay. Yeah. That's first. That's prayer. Okay, let's lift your arms. Let's see now my position. Lift your arms. That's first position, prayer pose. Let's lift your arms, arch your back. More arch then. Okay, that's more arch then. Let's arch, more arch. Let's fully forward. Let's slowly and gently lengthen your spine. Let's slowly and gently. Let's stretch your body more forward. Let's hands down. Let's touch. Inhale, right leg back forward. Look at up. Look at up. Left leg back forward. Stay in this position. No more adjusting your feet. That's post stability. Okay? Stay. Body on your toes. That's body on your toes. Let's stay. Knees down. That's chest in on the floor. Your chest, yeah, that's wrong. Arina, oh sorry, Namita, you're wrong your position. That's your chest, your hands behind chest, no. Elbows close to the body. That's next, Bhujangasana. That's cobra position. That's directly up, mountain. That's nose, knees up, that's back mountain. That's wrong, okay? That's wrong. That's directly up, do Bhujang. That's direct mountain pose. That's directly forward, right leg. Left leg. Lift your arms on the front. Let's take it prayer position. Okay, understand? देखो सूर्य नमस्कार मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, जहां से आपने शुरू किया आपके पैर स्टेबल रहने चाहिए. No adjusting your feet. That's left, right, closing. Okay. No adjusting. That's stable on one point. This end on one point. Okay. अगर आपने you good. Next start now. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. Let's start now. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. I will speak with name and breathing. Okay. Name and breathing. Yes, first position, standing position, that's normal position, standing, samasthiti position, normal breathe, take it normal breathe. Let's lift your arms with inhale, Urdhva Vrikshasana. Lift your arms sideway, inhale, look at your thumb, no arch, no back bend, back straight. Look at your thumb. Fingers spread, arms lower down, sideway, and to the ground. Fully forward, Uttanasana A. Palms on the floor, Sandeep ji. Uttanasana B. Raise your head, stretch your back. Look at your eyebrows. Yes, sliding backward, Chaturanga Dandasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Roll on the sole of the feet, roll on the back of the feet, upward facing dog. Urdh Mukh Svanasana. Roll on the sole of the feet, downward facing dog. Adho Mukh Svanasana. Cleansing your back, stretch your tailbone. More push your body inside. Heel up, hip on the sky, slide forward, raise your head, stretch your back, Uttanasana, B. Exhale down, Uttanasana, A, head to knee. Lift your arms on the side way, good. Urdhva Vrikshasana. Samasthiti, arms lower down, relaxation. 2 times pair, once more, 2 times, continue, start. I will see all students. Yeah, let's start now. Good. Do it, continue. Good. Very good, Sandeep ji. Chaturanga Dandasana, nice, good. Mamta ji, forward, sliding forward, Uttanasana, B. No, B. That's sliding forward, Uttanasana, B. That's next, Uttanasana, A, head to knee. Yeah, good. Lift your arms sideways. Next, do it once more. Good, good. Sandeep ji, 2 pair done. 2 pair done. Okay, good. Yeah, lay down on your back. Take it rest. Good. Shauli, complete now. Your 2 times. Okay, good. Lay down on your back. Take rest. Good. Palaramji, good, good, very good, nice. Right leg forward, left leg forward. Yeah, oh, very nice. Jump, slide, good. Improved. Palaramji, lay down, take rest. Few seconds, 30 to 1 minute seconds. Yes. Namita, you try now your Chaturanga, that's wrong, okay? No, just do no. Take rest. That's
okay.
Another time.
Okay.
Okay.
खड़े करना है
Okay. Lay down on your back, this Shavasana. Lay down on your tummy. All students, lay down on your tummy.
Vinod ji,
Yes, tell.
can you show me once we lay down finished?
Okay.
Uddhva Mukha Savasana and Cobra, how's different?
Urdhva, okay, that's different. That's both different exercise. That's
Yes, yeah, show me please.
okay.
Thank you.
Wait. Okay, lay down on your tummy. Lay down, please. Take rest. Yeah. Okay, normally sit, take it Vajrasan. All students, take it Vajrasan. Charlene, yes, take it Vajrasan. Yeah, this different now. Cobra position and upward facing dog. Urdh Mukh Svanasana. This. See now my positions. Next. Okay, yeah. Close my legs. That's your hands, both hands behind your chest. That's elbows not open, close your body. I will do Cobra position, Bhujangasana. Next, inhale up.
your body in the air.
No. Just touch my body and stay. Okay? Yeah. Let's exhale down. Okay? I will do Urdh Svanasana. Okay? Urdh Mukh upward facing dog. Let's inhale up. Let's body fully here on your toes. Body on your toes. That's up. Stay.
Upward facing dog.
Yeah, upward facing dog. Exhale down. I will once more do it. Upward facing dog. That's normal.
एक बार चतुरंगा बता दो मुझे प्लीज.
What?
चतुरंगा
Chaturanga Dandasana. Okay, all students see now Chaturanga Dandasana. You mistake now, Namita and Mamta ji, you good now. Let's well try. Good. Sandeep ji, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. Chaturanga Dandasana. I see. Palaram ji, थोड़ा notice करना. Okay, yeah. Charlie, see now my Chaturanga Dandasana. Okay, yeah, see. That's all students. Take it plank position, high plank pose. Okay, yeah. That's body on your toes. Let's do it. Upper body down. That's shape. Yes. Namita, your position that's wrong. Okay, this Chaturanga that's wrong. Let's stay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Nice. Okay, Namita.
Okay.
Yeah. Do it now, all students. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upper body more down. Namita, upper body more down. Yeah, very good, Sandeep ji. Balaram ji, do it now. Half push-ups. Yeah. Okay. Shaolin, upper body more down. Upper body more down. No, 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 no. Yeah, more down. Okay. More down. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Let's start now. Chapter session. Chapters. Pavan Mukh series. Pavan Mukh series. Lay down on your back. All students. Lay down on your back.
छोड़ दो
Do it now. Pada Sanchalan. Cycling pose. Do it now. Cycling asanas. Yeah. Reverse and front. Good. 1 minute. Continue. Reverse and front. More straight your legs, Namita. Legs straight. Very good. Good speed, Balaramji. Good. Very good, Mamta ji. ममता जी, बहुत अंधेरा अंधेरा लगता है, थोड़ा रोशनी कीजिए जहाँ पे आप योगा करते हो. Yeah, good. Okay. Next, bound angle pose. Badha Kona Asana. Bound angle pose. Released. Bound angle pose. Badha Kona Asana. या नमस्ते टू फुट. अपने पैरों से नमस्ते लगाओ. नीचे रखो पैरों को. Your hands on the floor, Balaram ji.
Sorry, I work because I have to leave
Yes,
now.
bound angle pose. Shaolin, do it now. Bound angle pose.
Yeah. Could you share the video for me? I have to leave now. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You go now.
Yeah, work because of work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Okay. Don't worry. Yeah. Bye. Check
Bye.
it. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Head down. Head नीचे रखिए अपना. Head मत उठाइए. Good. Next, leg straight now. Leg straight. Tap your knees. Tap your legs. Twisting your leg. Good. Shaking. Leg shaking. Good. Right leg up now 90 degree. That's close your leg. Close your feet. That's right leg 90 degree up and stay. Hold. Highest stay. Left leg straight. Left knee straight now. Good. Change your leg down. Change your leg. Down. Right leg up. Once more. Right leg up. Change. Left leg up. Down. Relax. Normal. This is Padottanasana 1, Padottanasana B, that's A. Just start now. B, just both leg 90 up, raise your leg 90, both. Yes, do it now, alternate up and down. Start, right leg down, left up, alternate. Good. Mamta ji, you will continue. Very good. संदीप जी, फ्लोर से टच मत करो, हवा में रखो, कंटिन्यू, डू इट. Yeah. Okay, relax, normal. Relax, take it relax, normal. Yeah. Next, Pada Sanchalan. Pada Chakrasan, leg rotation. Leg rotation, right leg rotation clockwise. Mamta ji, knee straight now. Knee straight. Don't bend your knee. Yeah, good. Then 20 count, change your leg. 20 pair, then change your leg. Okay. Okay, you done now? Mamta ji, you done? Okay, thumb pass. That's good. Yeah. Next, abdominal relaxing pose, abdominal stretch pose. That's your arms on T point, your arms on T point. Right knee bend now, right knee bend, and opposite side down, opposite side cross. That's face right side, your face right side. Stay, 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 stay. Sputa Udharkar Shasana. Udharakar Shasana. Let's change your side. Left knee bend. Face left side. Relax, normal. Good job. Fingers interlock in your head sides. Fingers interlock. Balaramji, fingers interlock. Yeah. Bend your knees. That's Shiva Udharkar Shasana. That's both knees bend your right side. That's knees equal, feet equal. That's face opposite side. Stay. Stay. Universal spinal twist. Pose. Stay, stay. Change your side. Namita, knees equal. Yeah, good. Once more. Right.
Thank you.
The left. Okay, relax, normal. Good. Do it now. Next position. Half Pavan Muktasana, Earth Pavan Muktasana. Grip your knee. Your right knee pressed to abdominal. Let's exhale up. Nose को knees के साथ touch करो. Do it. Mamta ji, more push your body. Just try to touch. Very good. Stay, stay. Higher stay. Sandeep ji, do push. Very good. Palaram ji, good, good. Change your leg. Inhale, exhale, up. Very good, Sandeep ji. Push. Just touch, touch. Try to touch. Yeah, 1 second. Oh, good. Relax. Normal. Very good. Normal. Namita, normal. Yeah. This full Pawan Muktasan. Both knees pressed to abdominal. Both knees pressed to abdominal. Then tightly hug. That's inhale, exhale, up. Exhale, nose to knees, touch. Good, good. Inhale, down. Once more. Inhale, exhale, up. Mamta ji, push your body. Exhale, normal. Relaxation, relaxation, normal. Okay, good job. Yeah. Let's start now. Rocking and rolling. That's first. Rocking. Both knees pressed to abdominal. That's side roll. Side to side body twist. That's right side down, then left side down. Okay, do it. 10 pairs. Good, good. Don't lose your grip. Tightly grip. That's up. Yeah, fully. No, Mamta ji. Don't lose your grip. That's tightly up. Okay. Yeah. Fully pressure up. Oh, good. Good, good. Very good, Palaram ji. Good, good. You are very strong. Nice. Okay, center. That's rolling. You front roll all your body. Just front roll. Your foot touch on the floor. Roll it. That's front. Do fast 10 times. Very good, Sandeep ji. Good, nice. Mamta ji, do it now, please. Good. Sandeep ji, you are very energetic person. That's fast, energetic. Okay, good, Palaram ji. Very nice. Good. Okay, lay down. Normal, relax. Namita, normal. Okay. Next position, Noka Asan, boat position. Yeah. Follow my command. Please follow my command. No, 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 no. Down, Sandeep ji, down. Yeah. Follow my command. All students. Both leg up now, 30 degree. Both leg up, 30 degree. Stay. Just inhale, upper body up. Exhale, inhale, exhale, upper body up. Arms up. Namita, arms उठाओ. Exhale में ऊपर. Good. Stay. Stay. Palaram ji, legs down. Little bit leg down. Good. Stay. 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 Highest stay. Mamta ji, do it. Your upper body down. Mamta ji, little bit upper body down. Yeah, stay. Legs lower, legs down, little down, legs down, low, more down your legs. Yeah, stay. Okay, relax, normal. Inhale, normal. This is very stretchful for abdominal, upper to middle abdominal. Let's once more do it now. That's legs up, 30 degree. Inhale, upper body up. Namita, your legs little bit down. More down. Yeah, upper body up. Stay. Mamta ji, do it now, please. Follow my command. Yeah, stay. Okay, relax, normal. Okay, do it now, all students. Bridge pose. Bend your knees. Your hands touch to heels. That's hip up. Lift your hip and stay. This asana of name shoulder pose. Kandhara asana. Namita, more lift your body, more. Sandeep ji, good, nice pose. Very good, Palaram ji. Sapna ji, good. More lift your body. Sapna ji, more. Yeah, okay, relax, normal. All students normal. That's normal sit. Take it normal sit. Normal sit. All students बैठ जाओ. Please, normal sit. Simply leg cross, Sukhasan. हर आसन को करने की टेक्निक होती है. देखिए, हर आसन को, चाहे वो इजी आसन है, चाहे वो कोई भी पोस्चर है, हेड स्टंट है, आर्म स्टंट है, हर आसन को करने की टेक्निक होती है. अगर आपको वो टेक्निक आ गई तो आपके लिए कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं है. हर आसन, कोई भी आसन कर सकते हो, चाहे पालाराम जी हैं, चाहे नमिता जी हैं, चाहे ममता जी हैं. यस, अभी जो आपने लास्ट किया था पोज, उसके अंदर देखिए टेक्निक क्या होती है. उसके अंदर Namita and Mamta ji, you see now, most Palaram ji, Sandeep ji, you well done, you good. अच्छा पोजीशन किया आप लोगों ने, लास्ट वाला शोल्डर पोज, वेरी गुड. अब एक बार फिर नोटिस कीजिए इस पोजीशन के अंदर. देखिए, दिस इज कंधरा आसना. दिस ओके. Yeah, my hand, my touch to heels. That's inhale up. This shoulder is inside. Your chin touch to chest. Okay, that's done. Okay, more lift. Just more lift your body. Just more open your chest. Okay, yeah. All students take it half lotus. फुली पद्मासन कौन लगा सकता है आप में से? संदीप जी थोड़ा पीछे हो जाना, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ, हल्का सा पीछे हो जाइए. वेरी गुड. नमिता, पद्मासन. शो नाउ पद्मासन. अरे वेरी गुड ममता जी, बहुत अच्छे. Palaram ji, your foot on your thigh. Okay, your foot on your thigh, fully thigh. Yeah. Very good, Namita. Good.
Yeah, but my still. Okay. This area is not still comfortable from there to there.
Okay. Yeah,
Next time.
don't worry. Yeah, let's start the pranayama. First pranayam, Bhastrika pranayam. Raise your arms. Inhale, exhale. You will start now. 1 to 2 minutes. Continue. Great. Good. Namita, hands open, close. Finger open, close. Yeah, good. Sandeep ji, continue. Sandeep ji, no. Sandeep ji, wait, stop. There's more pressure. This shoulder break. No, this take it easily. That's प्रेशर नहीं लगाना, ब्रीथ को, यस, ये हाँ, जोर नहीं लगाना, आराम से करो, बिल्कुल, यस, गुड। इससे आपके शोल्डर स्ट्रेन नहीं होएगा, बहुत इजीली, गुड। ओके, या, स्टॉप, गुड। नेक्स्ट प्राणायाम, अनुलोम विलोम, दैट्स अनुलोम विलोम, रिंग फिंगर to thumb. Good. Good. Okay, relax, normal. पद्मासन ओपन कर दो, नॉर्मल बैठ जाओ, लेग स्ट्रेट करो, पद्मासन खोल दीजिए, लेग स्ट्रेट करो, टैप योर नीज, दैट्स सिंपली लेग क्रॉस, गुड। सुखासन, that's आलते पालते, that's okay. Let's start now. Last, Brahmari, that's ear locks with thumb, that's very good. Okay, good. Let's end the session with mantras. Join your palm together. 1 time Om, 3 times Shanti. Pull together. Inhale. Shanti. 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 Rub your palms. Put on eyes, face, neck, arms, full body. Yes. Thankfully, all masters, Patanjali, Lord Shiva. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any question this session? Any problem? कोई
No, sir. Thank you.
Mamta ji, I request you please distance your long distance camera and your okay. Yes, I understand.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, thank you. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye to all.
Welcome.
Bye. Namaste.
Namaste.